Hey, welcome back to our first day of multiplying polynomials. So this is our FOIL method, and FOIL just stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So whenever we double distribute, or FOIL, as you might have heard it called, our polynomials, we're going to take, let's just do letter B first. We're going to take our first product here. So we're going to multiply the first term in each binomial. So I've got W times W. All right, so W times W. Now, the O stands for outer. And what that means is we're going to take the outside two terms. So the very farthest left term and the very farthest right term. So I'm going to take my outer, that's W, times a positive 9. And a similar idea for the inner. What we mean by inner is I'm going to take the inside two. So we just did the outside two. Now let's do the two nestled in the inside here. So that's 9 times W. And the L in FOIL stands for last. So we're going to take our last term in each binomial. So that's a 9 times 9. So this is W times W is W squared. W times 9 is 9W. 9 times W is 9W. And then 9 times 9 is 81. So once we've got all that done, we've got to combine our like terms. So let's see what like terms I have here. Oh, I have a W squared, but no other W squareds. Here I've got some W's. And then I have an 81. And almost always you're going to notice that the middle two terms combine. Those are the two that you can add together. So then I have W squared. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9W plus 9W is 18W. Plus 81. All right, let's do the same idea over here in A. This one's a little bit trickier because I have my first product, my first two terms. Now that's 3C times 5C. And I would encourage you to think of this a little bit differently. So think of it as 3 times C times 5 times C. And whenever we're multiplying things together, we can change the order. We can shift these around a little bit. So I could even make this 3 times 5 times C times C. And then it becomes a little bit more clear what my final answer is going to be. Well, 3 times 5 is 15, and then C times C is C squared. So we've got our first product down. Let's do the outers. So the outers, I've got the very farthest left term and the very farthest right term. I have a 3C times 1. Well, anything times 1 is just itself, so this is just 3C. And now I've got to get the inners. Let me do that in this purple. Inner product. So we just did the outers. Now let's do the very inside terms. And that is a 2 times 5C. Or you can think of that as 2 times 5 times C. So 2 times 5 is 10 times C. And then we've got our last. So we got to multiply the last term in each polynomial. So the last term here is a 2, and then the last term in these parentheses is a 1. So 2 times 1, which is just 2. And now same idea here. I've got like terms in the middle. I don't have any more c squareds. So these are my only c squareds. That's my only constant. So when I combine my like terms, I've got 15c squared. I can combine 3c and 10c for 13c, and then plus 2. So that's our FOIL method. And that's how we are going to multiply binomials together.